After almost a year since the coronavirus pandemic started, a team of 10 World Health Organization scientists have reached Wuhan, China. The scientists will investigate the origins of the coronavirus pandemic. On reaching Wuhan, the team would not start investigations. They would first have to quarantine in Wuhan for 2 weeks. Last week, World Health Organization Chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said that World Health Organization had sought various approvals from China for the visit. However, there was no response from China until the very last moment. The team reached Wuhan except for one member who got stuck in transit and would reach later. The Chinese government has tried to stop scientists from carrying out investigations related to the coronavirus in China. In April 2020, Australia demanded an investigation into the coronavirus outbreak in Wuhan, China. After the complaint, the Chinese government stopped the imports of Australian beef, wine, etc. In July 2020, 2 World Health Organization officials were allowed to visit China. But they were not allowed to enter Wuhan. Now that a WHO team has reached Wuhan, it is not sure if the investigation will be successful. China has imposed strict restrictions on the World Health Organization team. They are also not giving the team access to data available with them. Since 8 months, there was no coronavirus death in China. Now, one coronavirus-linked death has been reported. So China has imposed restrictions on nearly 20 million people. In Hebei, Beijing, and other areas, as new infections have increased.